Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my social media, which is a dashboard layout. This planner is called New Day. It is a planner for 2021 released by Happy Planner, and I am redating it. So this week we are planning for November 28th through December 4th. So here we go. I'm just going to punch this, and as always I'm going to be attaching my own sheet to the left side. So I'll glue this down and we'll trim it and we'll start decorating once I pop the pages out. Okay, so here we go. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me again. And let's start decorating. Okay, so as you can see, this is my December, and this planner, it is super loud and colorful, so that's what it is. Let me go ahead and pull this out really quickly. Okay, and let's get started. So here we go. So today I'm going to be using the sticker book that's called Holly Jolly from Live Love Posh. I absolutely adore her mega book. It is so adorable and lovely. And I wanted to use these blue motifs from it. So there's Christmas trees and presents and everything is in blue. And then her other book called Posh Autumn from last year, I wanted to use some of the blue stickers to highlight this. So she has lovely amounts of blue stickers in here. And I'm picking the ones that I want to use. I think I'm going to use these really dark ones because they will go well with the yellow and the beige and the slight pink. So I'm going to go ahead and play with that and incorporate both of the sticker books in here. So first I'm going to go ahead and do the sidebar in flowers because that's going to be probably one of my favorite parts. So here we go. So I place it in the corner on the edge and then I start pressing down from there once it's placed at the edge like so. And then whatever excess I have, I will cut it off. It's usually very slight. Like so. It was tiny piece. Okay. So I'm going to throw that out. Back onto the sticker sheet, and let's go ahead and start playing with the rest of the stickers. So I want to add some holiday motifs into here. So we'll do, well, let's see, let's add this blue Christmas tree to start with. I can add it right on the left side like so. I think that looks great, and it definitely pulls out the blue out of the flowers. Then I'm going to cover all of the dates because we will have to redate this planner as it is, again, New Day from 2021. Okay, so I'm just using a quick correction tape. I'm going to be using some clear stickers, so that might help with not showing through. Okay, let's go ahead and add more stickers because what is this without stickers? So this is one section where it was meant for dinner planning, but because I use so many planners, I never use this section. So we're gonna use it for big decoration. There we go. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and grab a few of the like little presents and benches and stuff and sleds, and I think that might be pretty great. So we're bringing the blue to the other page. I'm gonna use this little girl with the Christmas tree because oh my gosh, how adorable. Okay, I want to place her there, but she would be lost in all of the dark flowers. So let's give her her own space so she can really stand out. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, yes, I love it. Okay, let's keep going because there's still quite a bit to do. So we need to go ahead and decorate both of these sides of the pages. So I'm going to use this bell ornament wave on Tuesday and kind of play with layering that like so. I think that looks pretty good as well. And then little gifts, or like half a gift. I think that looks good too. Okay, couple more things. I'm gonna add those bells into here. Look how beautiful these blue bells are with the gold detail. Okay, so there we are. We need more decorations, you guys. A lot more. Let's do it. So I'm gonna add some more of these flowers to bring in that darker blue and pull out blue out of all of these stickers even more so. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these and adding them throughout the planner and maximizing the effects of it. I'm gonna cut some more stuff and let's keep going. So then I want to put it on this side. Perfect. And then on this side. Okay, so the flowers will be kind of all over both of the sides, and they will look much better when both of the sides have the same balance of color. So I'll be adding a few more of these flowers throughout to really balance this out, and hopefully that helps, right? So let's keep going just a bit more. I really like these florals with the blue. I think it brings a warm tone, and look at the flowers, like they match these little girls' pinks, and I think the yellow brings a little bit more happiness to it. So I think it's fun. I really do. Okay, let's see if I can add a couple more little trinkets here and there to make it even more special. So I'm gonna use this half snowflake maybe or something like that in here, and then smaller pine cones that are in blue. I think that's so great. So here we go. And then I don't know, let's see, I need to redate, so I'm gonna pull a sheet for redating. I think that's enough. It still gives me enough room to write all of my videos and stuff, but it's kind of perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my redating sheets. They are on clear stickers, so I'm gonna go ahead and start redating. Okay, here we go. I know this is the boring part, but it's the necessary evil when you use undated planner. But I really do love the aesthetic of this one, and how easy it is, and that I don't have to cover a whole lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these dates. So we're gonna start on the 28th on Monday and go all the way through the 4th on Sunday, and that's practically the whole spread. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. I really loved creating this with you, and I hope you guys did too. So that is it, my loves. Thanks for joining. Have a great week ahead. and I will see you very soon for another Plan With Me video. Thanks for watching. Bye!